Well, this is during the incredibly cold snap here in the winter of 2024, so early 2024. So I'm inside, and we looked really carefully at these Enjomor flywheels and the new ones. And I think because the new ones have this nice red anodized and match the red of the old engine, I'm going to switch these out. So let me get the other. It helps if I grab the right size. Get these other, or get this other one out. There. A little prying action, pop that loose, comes right off. Alright. So, set that aside. There. Rotate the engine to bottom dead center. That way I can gotta hold it in place because it slides so easily in. Before it's clamped down. There we go. One side, and then take a minute to make sure the spokes are lined up, and then tighten this one down. There we go. Red anodized on the red engine. Nice. So I'll have to give that a try when it's warm enough to go outside again. As for the black one, here, let's start with cleaning up the rust on the inside of the top of the bore here. And I've got a Scotch-Brite for the Dremel. And I think that's going to be Yeah. So that rust all developed. Yeah, that rust all developed inside where the piston doesn't travel. So brushing it out with a Scotch-Brite like that doesn't affect the area where the piston travels. I will have to clean that bore out and rinse it before I put the piston back in, but that's that. I did order this base, and like I said, it didn't come with any hardware, so I have to decide which way around I want to mount this. And I think it's intended to be mounted like this, with the fuel tank here, and then it's got a switch hole and the hole for the ignition lead there. So, and then a slot for the trigger right there. So luckily I've got this mounting hardware from the last time. Right? Yeah, these fit in that. Yeah, this is what I used last time. The question is, do they go? No, these holes are intended for a lag bolt style mount. So I don't have a lag bolt. Oh yeah, they're not drilled through on the bottom there. So, alright, I'll have to find some small lag bolts for that, or small screws for this mounting base, but I think I'll like trying out this official mounting base, but I have to find some other hardware for that or go buy some. So we won't be able to mount this just yet. And I'll have to grab a pin head and put the get the stuff to do the extension pin on the needle for the valve, or for the fuel valve, just like I did on the other one. So alright, well, I had to find hardware, so I guess we won't get too much done this morning.